Hello class, welcome back to your online class. So in our previous class we were discussing chapter 8, that is sound and noise. We have already discussed about what is pleasant sound, what is unpleasant sound, what is warning sounds. I even gave you a home task with regard to the pleasant and unpleasant sound, right? So today we will take up another topic from this chapter, that is noise. What do you mean by noise? Noise, it's an unpleasant sound, is referred to as noise. Okay, sound of a high volume, okay, is referred to as noise. Okay, and the pollution caused by noise is referred to as noise pollution. Noise pollution. Okay, what are the causes of noise pollution? Okay, if you are traveling, then obviously the honking of a car, okay, bursting of a crackers, and playing music at a very high volume, okay, or working of a machine which is like damaged. If you continue working that even after it has been damaged, then it produces a very harsh sound. So those are the different. If you play the TV or radio at a high volume, even that's a noise, because you don't like hearing to that volume of a sound. Okay, now what are the harmful effects of noise pollution? Harmful effects, if you continuously expose yourself at a high volume of a sound, what will happen to your ear? So initially even your mood swings will take place. That means you will get irritated, you will be angry, okay, you will show those kind of emotion. But if you go to the long term effect of that, even you can have a hearing loss. Okay, you will not be able to hear. That's why if you use earphone also, connecting it with the phone, you can see if you increase the volume after a certain level, you get a message there, that increasing of a volume after this particular level is harmful for your ear. So we suggest you to lower the volume. We get a pop-up message on the phone too. Okay, so if you get a pop-up message from the phone, on the phone, then you should decrease the volume, because hearing taking a volume of much higher than what is advised there will directly lead you to the hearing loss. Okay, so that's a long term effect of a noise pollution. Okay, excess noise pollution also affects the animals, like in finding the prey. Okay, those sound waves, with the help of those sound waves, they even find the different animals find the prey. Okay, prey means the one they are hunting on to. Okay, so that's gonna affect noise pollution, gonna affect that also. And noise pollution, like I told you, it irritates you. There's a emotion of anger. So eventually might even need to lead to nervous disability. Okay, so these are the different harmful effects of a noise pollution. Okay, so in today's class we discussed what is noise. Noise means any unpleasant sound is referred to as a noise. What are the causes of noise pollution, like honking of car, playing the music at high volume, or bursting of crackers? All those are the causes of noise pollution. What are the harmful effects? What will happen if you are exposed to the noise pollution for a longer period of time? So exposure to the noise pollution initially will lead to mood swings, irritation, anger, but eventually long term effect, it can have a disability in hearing. Okay, hearing loss, nervous disability might also take place. Okay, so that's all about this particular chapter, that is chapter 8, sound and noise. Okay, one more topic, how can you reduce the noise pollution? Okay, like industries should be situated far off from the residential areas, because the working of the machines in the industry will produce a huge amount of sound noise. Okay, so it should be far away from the residential area. Avoid bursting crackers, especially during Diwali. It does not only create a noise pollution, but also affects the quality of air. So avoid bursting crackers. Instead of that, light candles or diyas, okay, and play or listen to the music at a very optimum volume. Okay, after you get a, like I told you, after you get a pop-up message, do not increase the volume, okay, lower down the volume, okay. And how can you, any environmental issues can be corrected by planting more and more amount of trees around, okay. That's gonna absorb the volume of sound, okay, thus decreasing the noise pollution. And whenever it's not necessary, do not honk the car, okay. Honking of a car is also causes noise pollution. So if it's not necessary at all, then we should avoid honking the car, okay. So that's all about today's class, okay. Just go through it. Next, that's all about this chapter. And next, we had a very brief chapter on sound and noise pollution. Next, I'll follow it up with the question and answer from the exercise of this particular chapter, okay. Thank you so much.